Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Cozy.
Basically, we made Southwestern Egg Rolls, and they look delicious. Okay. And then I had also, so these bases are a replica, but you know, he said that they're better.
They
And then so what I did, I decided to make some avocado ranch. But I just used guacamole and regular ranch, and I just mixed it together. So let's go ahead and try this.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Yeah, real good. This is real good.
See, avocado give it a little kick to it.
It does. It does. Overall, it's real good.
So you know the Southwest Egg Rolls got the black beans, the cheese. I put pepper jack cheese in there, corn, red bell pepper, red onion, and I threw a little cilantro in there for an extra little kick.
Yeah.
And it's amazing.
I can't stop eating. Now, we did have a little leftover and whatnot, and so what I'm thinking, perhaps we can, like, this was the leftover from it, and then you can maybe add a little chips to it and such, or even just eat it as like a salad by itself. It's really delicious. It's good.
This is actually not to cut you off, but this is actually burrito filling too. You can put this in a tortilla, and make you a burrito or a quesadilla or anything.
Right.
Its filling is good for anything, really.
Yeah. Exactly.
But today we made egg rolls, and I'm finna cut me another one because it's
real good. Thumbs up, Chef B.
Yes, Lord.
Yes. If y'all like this, the process of it, give it a thumbs up. Oh, we forgot to give them some. Did you give them some?
There you go.
All right. All right. That's good.
So y'all look out. Cooking channel is on the way. Give me about, I say 3 weeks tops.
Okay.
Cooking channel is on the way, y'all tune in.
That's it. Let me just have the other half of this. Okay?
I know it.
Cozy.
If you wonder if I hate you,